artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing how we work. This transformation is not just a trend, but a significant shift in the way businesses operate and how employees perform their daily tasks. AI can perform tasks that were traditionally done by humans, impacting many job sectors. From data entry to complex decision-making processes, AI is taking over roles that require precision and efficiency. AI is now being used across various fields, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans. In finance, it helps in fraud detection and risk management. In manufacturing, AI optimizes production lines and ensures quality control. This shift brings both challenges and opportunities. While AI can increase productivity and innovation, it also raises concerns about job displacement and the need for new skills. While some jobs will disappear, new ones will be created. Roles such as AI specialists, data analysts, and robot maintenance technicians are emerging, offering new career paths. It's crucial to understand these changes and adapt to the future of work. Continuous learning and upskilling will be essential for staying relevant in this evolving landscape. Embracing AI can lead to a more efficient and innovative workplace. Some jobs are at a higher risk of automation, particularly those involving repetitive tasks. These tasks are often monotonous and can be easily replicated by machines, making them prime candidates for automation. Examples include data entry and assembly line work. In these environments, machines can handle the workload with greater efficiency and precision, reducing the need for human intervention. Machines can now perform these jobs faster and at a lower cost. This not only increases productivity but also significantly cuts down on operational expenses for companies. Studies indicate that millions of jobs could be lost to automation, a trend that is being observed globally. The impact is widespread, affecting various industries and economies around the world. Workers need to prepare for these changes by learning new skills to stay competitive in the evolving job market. Embracing continuous education and training can help workers adapt to new technologies and secure their place in the future workforce. While AI disrupts some jobs, it is important to recognize the broader picture. It also creates new opportunities that were previously unimaginable. As AI continues to evolve, it opens doors to innovative roles and career paths. There is a growing demand for AI-related roles, such as AI engineers and data scientists. These professionals are at the forefront of technological advancements, driving progress in various industries. Industries that incorporate AI are expanding rapidly, and these sectors are in need of skilled workers who can navigate and leverage these new technologies effectively. Fields like healthcare, technology, and renewable energy are expected to see significant job growth as they integrate more AI solutions. This integration not only enhances efficiency, but also creates a plethora of new job roles, from AI specialists to tech-savvy healthcare professionals. As the landscape changes, professionals are upskilling and adapting by attending AI workshops and training sessions, ensuring they remain relevant in this dynamic job market. To succeed in the future job market, we need to adapt. Upskilling is crucial. This means learning new skills and knowledge. Focusing on human-centric skills is also important. Creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are valuable. These skills are difficult for AI to replicate. They will be in high demand. There are strategies to thrive in an AI-influenced job market. Embrace lifelong learning. Stay updated on industry trends. Be adaptable and willing to learn new things. Focus on developing uniquely human skills. These will set you apart in the job market. By adapting and preparing, we can navigate the future of work successfully.